Today, we're on the water and we're discussing 5 ways that you can save on flood insurance. So if you're a homeowner, if you're looking to save on your flood insurance, then this video is for you. Hello, my name is Greene, president and owner of the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about 5 ways to save money on your flood insurance. I mean, everyone wants to save money here, especially in the economy that you're in. People are struggling. We're seeing insurance costs across the country skyrocket. So today, let's talk about some ways that you can save money on your flood insurance. The first thing is shop around. Now, when it comes to flood insurance, remember, not all flood insurance is created equal. However, when we're talking about the National Flood Insurance Program, save yourself some time. No matter where you go, these rates should be the same if you're getting the same coverage amounts. However, private flood insurance is going to be completely different. You may get 5 different quotes on a private flood insurance policy, and the rates are $4,000, $1,000, because they look at underwriting differently. So shopping around on the private flood insurance side is very important, but also you can save yourself some time and money not shopping on the National Flood Insurance Program side. Now let's talk about elevation certificates. Having an elevation certificate, we have seen in many situations, can save you maybe 25, 30%. In fact, we recently had it where it saved a customer $3,000 a year because FEMA had some incorrect data with the National Flood Insurance Program. Now, some private companies also will use an elevation certificate to look at this. So it's important maybe that you do have an elevation certificate. Remember, it's not going to hurt you to provide it. It's only going to help you. Number 3, coverages. Now, when you're picking your coverages, you want to make sure you pick the right coverages. Could you lower your coverages down? Absolutely. Maybe you're actually over-insuring your property. So you want to verify that you've got the right coverages. We're talking about building coverage here. We're talking about contents coverage. We're talking about additional living expenses. Maybe you've got your building costs too high. Well, this could have an impact on your National Flood Insurance Program policy. This could also have an impact on a private policy. Now, what about deductibles? Sure, you could increase your deductibles here, but you want to be careful with deductibles with flood insurance. Because unlike something like a home insurance policy, you may have 2 different deductibles with the National Flood Insurance Program, building coverage and contents coverage. And for a private flood, you may have 3 different types of deductibles. So instead of having a $5,000 deductible, you could potentially have a $15,000 deductible, not realizing it. So this is where you want to be careful with deductibles. Now let's talk about mitigation measures. Mitigation measures can still greatly benefit your property. Now, these are things like installing flood vents, where the water keeps flowing through your property and it doesn't build that pressure up and destroy the foundation. So installing flood vents on something like a crawl space building, maybe even a basement, could potentially help. Now, number 5, replacement cost of your property. This is where we see a lot of people get in trouble. What happens is maybe the company has the wrong replacement cost and can have a big impact on the rate. We see this every day on the commercial side with the National Flood Insurance Program, because replacement cost is a big rate driver with the National Flood Insurance Program. It's also a big rate driver with private flood insurance. So if you're getting a quote and someone's just putting in that your building is $250,000 in replacement cost because that's the max amount of coverage that's offered, but really the replacement cost of your building is only $150,000. This could be costing you big money. So these are 5 ways to save money when it comes to your flood insurance policy. If you're ready to take the next steps to save money on your flood insurance policy, 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form on our website. Step 2, connect with one of our flood risk advisors. And step 3, pick the plan that best fits your needs, or you can simply click below in this video to start that process. My name is Greene, president and owner of the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for tuning in to today's video, 5 ways to save money on your flood insurance.